Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today we've got a Winnebago in which I'm going to talk to you about repairing a section on it. But before we do that, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be amazing. Okay, so we've got a bit of a crack going on here and another rip over here. So it's very soft there as well. There's timber in behind there. We've got to pull out the timber and fix up the structural part of it before we can fix up the fiberglass part of it. We've also got a bit of a bad repair job that someone else has done, which we have to fix up for the customer as well, tidy it up so it looks a bit more presentable. We've done our little patch here, which has been really good because it's got a seam which hides everything. But here we've had to just flush finish it, and we're going to put some gel coat in there just to finish it off and try and make this a seamless repair. We haven't quite got the colour right. We're still working on our colour matching skills, but overall, this is going to be, the customer's going to be really happy because he's not super fussy and we're doing the best we can. So thanks for watching.